Hi children, I am Lakshmanamurthy, working as headmaster ZPHS Timmapur in Kankur Mandal. Let us discuss about your mathematics textbook first chapter, that is knowing our numbers. In your textbook you have knowing our numbers as first chapter. Today we discuss about that chapter. Do you visited your Gram Panchayat office anytime? Okay. If you not visited, just you visit in your free time your Gram Panchayat office. On Gram Panchayat office walls, you may observe some information like this. What is the population of your village? How many men in the village? How many women living in the village? Number of children in the village? Number of households in the village? అంటే మొత్తం ఎన్ని ఇండ్లు ఉన్నాయో దానికి సంబంధించిన వివరము. ఆ ఇండ్లలో పక్కా హౌసెస్, హౌ మెనీ పక్కా హౌసెస్ ఆర్ దేర్, అండ్ కచ్చా హౌసెస్ అంటే కాస్త శిథిలమైనటువంటి ఇండ్లు ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో అలాంటివి కూడా వివరాలు మీ యొక్క గ్రామ పంచాయతీ గోడల మీద రాసి ఉండే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అబౌట్ యువర్ విలేజ్. యూ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ ఎట్ యువర్ గ్రామ పంచాయతీ ఆఫీస్. టోటల్లీ దిస్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ న్యూమరికల్, అంటే ఇవన్నీ కూడా అంకెలలో సంఖ్యలలో ఇవ్వబడినటువంటి విషయాలు. పరిశీలిస్తున్నారు కదా. Totally this information is in numerical values. We call these as numbers. Here the population of the village is, you can read this number, 7420. Sorry, 7450. Next, number of men living in the village is 3500. Number of women living in village 3950. I think all of you familiar with this. That means you can easily read the numbers in words. Number of children in the village, it is 1320. Number of households, it is 1100. We read this number as 1100. I think all of you are observing. పక్కా హౌసెస్ అంటే శాశ్వతంగా ఉన్నటువంటి నిర్మాణాలు లాంటివి, అంటే పక్కాగా ఉన్నటువంటి ఇల్లు 1045. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ నో హౌ టు రీడ్ ద నంబర్స్. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్, కచ్చా హౌసెస్, ఇట్ ఈస్ జస్ట్ 55. ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ in numerical values, numbers. All these numbers you know in your previous class, that is 5th class, how to read the numbers up to 4 digits. That means up to thousands. But numbers are not ended up to thousands. More than thousands also numbers are there. Now how to read, how to write the numbers more than thousands. So today's our topic is how to write 5 digits numbers in words. Now let us go to the topic by using some examples. Now in your textbook exercise 1.1 page number 5, 5th problem and 6th problem, today we are discussing these two problems. Write the numbers in words, write the numbers in figures. To know where we are, I am showing the page number. Exercise 1.1 page number 5 in your 6th class mathematics textbook. Okay, let us go to some examples. Children, all of you concentrate on screen. only. Don't see other size. Okay, see here, here is a number, it is with 4 nines, 4 digits. Now how to write this number in words? Generally we use place values to write the number in words. Here 4 numbers, 4 place values we have to consider. So all of you observe here only, it is ones place, topmost right, next one tens place, then after it is hundreds place, then after it is thousands place. So 9999, it is 9 thousands, 9 hundreds, 9 tens and 9 ones. We write this number as 9,900, 9 tens, 9 nines. We don't write like that. 9 tens, 9 ones as 99. Together these two last, that means tens and ones places together we write, that means 99. So we write 9999 as, all of you observe here and also write in your notebook, it is 9,999. Okay, now after 9,999 which number will arise, comes? What is the next number to this? After 9,999 what is the next number? Do you know? Okay, if you know, very good, very well. Otherwise, how to identify that number? Let us go to some example. See here, all of you know about this number. What is the number after 9? 9 తర్వాత వచ్చే సంఖ్య ఏది? ఈజీగా మనకు చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి తెలుసు, ఇట్ ఈస్ 10. 1 డిజిట్లో ఉన్నటువంటి 9 తర్వాత 2 డిజిట్స్ నంబర్ వస్తుంది, అది 10 10గా ఉంటుంది. సో ద నంబర్ ఆఫ్టర్ 9 ఈజ్ with 2 digits, that is 10. We call this as 10. Now in the same way, number after 99 in 2 digits number, both are 99, the biggest values. What is the number after 99? So again we will get 3 digits number, so it is 100. We call this as 100. I think all of you observing carefully. Now let us go to the same way another example. Number after 999, 999 in 3 digits number, it is the biggest number. After this which number we will get? Okay, one more than this, that is, yes, that is 1000. We call this as 1000. Now after this one more example, 9999, that is 9999. After this 9999 what number we will get? In the same pattern, same procedure, 1 digit, 2 digits, 2 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits, answer 4 digits. We have 4 digits number, answer we will get next number with 5 digits, that is 10000. That is nothing but we call this as 10,000. After 9,999 we call this as 10,000. We write this 10,000 as 10000. Okay, this 2 digits, thousands and 10,000 places together we will write with comma. how to write in words 5 place values numbers, that is 10,000 numbers. Okay, how to write? It is 34985. All of you see here on the screen only, it is 34985. If we identify place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. 5 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, 9 is in hundreds place, 4 is in thousands place, and the last one 3 is in 10,000s place. So we can write this as 3 10,000s, that means 30,000, plus again 4,000s, 34,000. Together we have to write these two, 34,000. It is 900. Again we write generally tens and ones together, that is 8 5 85, 8 tens 5 ones, it is totally we write as 85. So 34,985. You can easily write this number 34,985. I think you understood the wording of the numbers. Okay, let us go to another example. 20147. Here also in the same way identify the place values. Which number in which place? 74101. 7 is in ones, 4 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place, in thousands place we have 0, in 10,000s place we have 2. So 2 10,000s, that means 20,000, and 0 thousands, so totally 20,000. Next 100. Next 4 7, 4 tens 1 7, it is together we write 47. 20,147. We write the same words in letters. See here, 20,147. Okay, all of you understood or not? Okay, I think you all of you understood. Next, let us go to another example. See here, in different place values, different values are there. Now how to write this in numbers, in words? How to write the given numbers in words? The same, first of all identify the place values of the given number. See here, the rightmost 0 is ones place, next 2 is in tens place, 0 is hundreds place, here this 0 is in 10,000s place, next the leftmost 4 is in 10,000s place. So totally we can write this as, it is 40,000, no hundreds, the last two tens and ones are 20, so we can write as 20. 40,020. You can write easily in words, 40,020. So 40,020. Like this you can write any number given in 10,000s place very easily. You can practice more numbers which you observe, which you have in your textbook. Okay, see here one more example, 90903. Here also 5 places. First of all identify place values. 3 ones, 0 tens, 9 hundreds, 0 thousands, again this 9 is 10,000s. So the numbers in the given number are in different place values. So it is 90 means 10,000s, 90,000s. There is no value in the thousands, so totally we can write this as 90,000. Together we have to write 10,000s place, thousands place, together we write general procedure. And next hundreds individually, next tens and ones together we write general procedure. So tens ones, it is in tens place 0, in ones place 3, so it is 0 3, that means 3. 90,903, 90,903. So we write this as 90,903. I think all of you familiar with the numbers in writing in words. Okay, like this, how to write the given numbers in words into figures. In your textbook, page number 3, exercise 1.1, sixth problem. Out of that, in that first problem, 40,270, 40,270. Okay, now in place values, arrange the given sentence with digits. 40,000, 40,000 means ఇక్కడ థౌజండ్స్ 10,000s కలిపి ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. 40,000 అన్నాడు, 40,000 అన్నాడు కాబట్టి దీంట్లో 10,000s ప్లేస్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది, థౌజండ్స్ కలిపి మనం టుగెదర్ అన్నాం కదా ఇంతకుముందు, అది రాసుకోవాలి. 40 అంటే 40 అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ 200 హండ్రెడ్స్లో 2, 70 అన్నాడు, నెక్స్ట్ 70. సో టోటల్లీ we will get this. You can easily observe, you can easily identify 40, 10,000, thousands, 40. Next in hundreds place you will get 2, 200. Next in tens it is 7. 70 means together we have to write it tens place and ones place, so we have to write 70 there. So 40,270, 40,270. This is the number which given in words we are writing in figures. Okay, in the same way one more example, 14,064. in the same way 14,000, 14 means 10,000s and thousands together 14, that means 1 4. Okay, next 14,000s 64 only, that means hundreds place no number given, so it is 0. 64. Okay, so we will write 14,064. Okay, see here 14,064, 64 together we have to write, tens and ones we together write generally, so it is 64. So total the number is 14064, 14,064. In this way, any number given in 10,000s values, between thousands and 10,000s, we can easily write the numbers, we can easily write the words in the which are given in words. Okay, now in your worksheet book you have 2 problems. One is write the numbers in words, that is one problem, and second one, write the numbers in figures. In words given, you have to write in figures. These are the homework problems. Do in your notebook and show to your mathematics teacher. If there are any corrections, make corrections.